Hello students, welcome to iExamB. So the good news is Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India, that is ECGC, is out with its vacancy for recruitment of probationary officers. So yes, the notification is out and there are total 59 vacancies. So let's quickly go through the notification and see what all details are provided there. So friends, this is the notification. This is a very good opportunity, let me tell you. So the basic pay which will be provided to you would be 32,795, and every year for the next 14 years you'll get an increment of 1,610, and for the next 4 years you will get an increment of 1,745. So all these allowances will also be provided to you apart from your salary, and if you take the sum up of all, the current CTC which will be provided to you will be approximately around rupees 13 lakhs per annum. So as you can see, the pay scale provided is very good. Now let's quickly see what are the important dates involved. So the registration has already started from 1st of January and it will be valid till 31st of January. So you can apply for the same between these two dates. Also, if we talk about the examination, so online written examination will be held on 14th of March. So approximately you have around 2.5 months to prepare. So they will be declaring the result of online examination around 31st March and the interview will be held in the month of April. These are the tentative dates for the declaration of results of online exam and interview. Also, the final result will be announced in the month of April or May. So as you can see, if you start preparing from now onwards, there are good chances of getting selected. Talking about the number of vacancies, so as we had earlier seen, 59 vacancies in total are there, out of which 25 are for unreserved, that is general category. EWS it's 5, OBC it's 16, SC/ST it's 9 and 4 respectively. So as you can see, the number of vacancies is here tentative. They may be increased or decreased. It completely depends on the ECGC. Now talking about the eligibility criteria, the age of the candidate should be between 21 years to 30 years. That is, he should be born between these two dates mentioned in the notification. So there are some relaxations being also provided in some categories. SC/ST it's 5 years, OBC it's 3 years. Persons with disabilities have 10 years of relaxation and ex-servicemen have 5 years of relaxation. Now talking about the eligibility criteria, if we see the minimum educational qualification, so the candidate should be graduate as on 31st of January 2021. So all those final year students whose results are awaited in the month of June or July in the year 2021, they cannot apply. So you must be possessing the final year mark sheet or provisional certificate before or on 31st of January 2021. Also, these documents will be checked at the time of your interview. So do take care while registering online. Talking about the recruitment process, so there will be online examination. First will be MCQs, and in addition to this, there will be descriptive test as well. Also, there will be interview. So friends, this is just single day exam. There will be no pre or mains. So on the same day, your objective test will be held as well as descriptive test will be held in continuation with this. After you qualify the objective test, you will be called for the interview. So talking about the objective test, these are the sections where you will be judged. In total, 200 questions will be given of 200 marks. That is 1 marks per question. Also 140 minutes will be given to you. Talking about the reasoning ability, 50 questions, 50 marks, 40 minutes. English language, 40 questions, 40 marks, 30 minutes. Computer knowledge, 20 questions, 20 marks, only 10 minutes. General awareness, 40 questions, 40 marks, 20 minutes. And quant, you have 50 questions, 50 marks, and duration is 40 minutes. So this is all about the objective test. Let's see the descriptive paper. So here you will be required to write an essay and a précis. You will be given with 2 options, and out of the 2 you will have to write on one of them. The total marks allotted to essay is 20 and précis is 20, and the time allotted for both are 40 minutes. Now one thing here you will have to notice is that though you will be writing the descriptive paper, but only it will be evaluated for those candidates who will get good marks in their objective test. It will not be evaluated for all the candidates. Also, there is a penalty for wrong answers. As you can see, 1/4 of your marks will be deducted in case you mark your answer wrong. Now talking about the cutoff score, you'll have to get a minimum score in each of your tests, that is online written exam and also for the interview. Those who have cleared the minimum score in the online examination, only they will be called for the interview. Now here you can see marks obtained in the online examination will be considered for shortlisting for interview, and marks obtained in online examination and interview together will be taken care for final listing. That means in your final marks, your online examination written test as well as interview marks will be considered in total. Now coming to interview, the total marks here will be 60 and the minimum qualifying marks in the interview will not be less than 30%. That means 40% of 60, that is 24 marks at least you must bring in your interview for the final selection. Also, if you see, the weightage of online exam and interview will be 80:20. So you can see the weightage of online examination is more than the interview, but you must clear the interview as well for the final selection. So friends, we have our own channel Bank B, which is especially focused for all these kind of exams. Also, the same notification video will be available at our Bank B channel also. So do subscribe there so that you get all the tips and the preparation strategies for the banking exams as well as ECGC PO exams. Also at iExamB, we do provide ECGC PO course, and also ECGC PO free mock tests are available at our site. So do visit our site, enroll there and attempt these mock tests. So friends, do register for the ECGC PO post and start your preparation as soon as possible. All the best for your preparation and thanks for watching the video.